Hey guys, I'm Mike Cafro with Black Hills UTV, and today we're going to be showing you our Vision X setup on our Polaris Turbo S race car. Vision X lights are race-proven off-road lights with unparalleled durability and reliability. Good lighting is critical in off-road racing, especially when you're chasing someone down at night in their dust. On my factory Polaris race car, I choose to run a mix of Vision X lights, giving me maximum visibility in the extreme conditions of off-road racing. On this particular race car, I chose a mixture of one 6.7 ADV LED Light Cannon in the center of our car and two 6.7 CG2 multi-LED light cannons on the outsides. This combination of lighting gives me over 35,000 lumens, which is way more than you're going to need. On my race car, I like to have my lights mounted low and securely behind the front bumper to protect them from rocks and the occasional love tap. The main difference between the lights on my setup is beam pattern. My ADV center light gives you way more distance utilizing reflectors with two additional optics. The two additional optics at the bottom of the light illuminate directly in front of the vehicle. That's why it's called a combo driving beam. This ADV light cannon also has a new selective yellow lens that allows you to cut through the dust, giving you better clarity. Each ADV light pushes 8,500 lumens with a combo driving beam pattern and features a backlit halo. The CG2 is designed for more spread and raw output, so it's a broad beam LED light. Each CG2 light pushes 13,500 lumens with a broad spot beam pattern. Whether you're racing or just need the best off-road lights in the industry, all of these same Vision X lights can be used on your truck, Jeep, or SUV, giving you the ultimate quality and performance in off-road lighting. Visit visionxoffroad.com or ask for Vision X lights at your local off-road shop.